Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP SD Tutorials. So today I'm going to show how to define all the organizational element in SAP Enterprise Structure. So we are having company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, plant, storage location, and shipping points. So each module of consultant are responsible to define their organizational units. So company code is defined by SAP FI consultant, and plant and storage location that will be defined by SAP MM consultant. So SD consultant will define sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, shipping point. So before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and hit the bell icon for more important videos.
Definition steps, we have to define all organizational units which we have for SAP SD consultant. So what are the organizational units we have for SAP SD consultant? First is sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, then shipping point. So guys, in last session we have covered overviews on enterprise structure. So now we know what is enterprise structure, what is the significance of enterprise structure, what are the organizational units we have in SAP SD, then what is the purpose of each unit, means what is the purpose of sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, and shipping point. Then next, what is the length of the each organizational units. So we have to remember what are the length for each organizational unit. Then next is what is the highest organizational units for each module. Means for finance consultant, company code is the highest organizational unit. For sales and distribution consultant, sales organization, material management consultant, plant will be the highest organizational unit in enterprise structure. Then if we talk about the production planning consultant, again plant will be the highest organizational unit for production planning consultant. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get time to time notification from our channel. So first step is what? Define organizational unit. So what is define organizational unit? So guys, enterprise structure is divided into two parts. First one is definition and second one is assignment. So what is definition? In this session we have to cover definition part. So what is definition? Definition is nothing but to create new organizational unit in these steps. So here we have to create company code. So in real-time project, real-time implementation project, finance consultant is responsible to define company code. Sales organization SD consultant, distribution channel SD consultant is responsible to create a distribution channel. Division again SD consultant. Sales office SD consultant. Sales group will be created by sales and distribution consultant. Plant MM consultant is responsible to define plant. Then storage location, again MM consultant is responsible to define storage location. Last but not least, shipping point, SD consultant, sales and distribution consultant is responsible to define shipping point. So overall, initially we have to create 9 organizational units. Whenever required, when we will go for the credit management, then again we have to add credit control area. Whenever we will go for the third party IPO process, third party make to order IPO process, we have to create purchase organization and purchase group. So guys, before going to implement SAP, we have to follow ASAP methodology. So what is ASAP methodology? A stands for Accelerated SAP. So Accelerated SAP have 5 phases. So what are the 5 phases we have? First is project preparation phase, business blueprint phase, realization phase, then final preparation phase, then go live and support. So guys, as a functional consultant, we have to will involve from business blueprint phase. So as you are new to SD, and you you don't have idea about the ASAP methodology, but I'll make you understand on two phases in enterprise structure. First one is business blueprint phase and realization phase. So please try to understand what exactly business blueprint phase is. So now you are working with MT technology, and MT technology is the implementation partner, and now you are going to implement SAP for MT Foods Private Limited. So here implementation partner is MT technology and your client is MT Foods Private Limited. So now you are working as a consultant in MT technology. So what exactly we do in business blueprint phase? So guys, please try to understand what is business blueprint phase. In business blueprint phase, we'll do the requirement gathering. So we'll go to the client place, means we'll go to the MT Foods Private Limited, and we'll meet the core user. So who is the core user? Core user is the employee of your client, means MT Foods Private Limited, who is having good knowledge on SAP sales and distribution, means sales and distribution domain knowledge. So we'll ask the process about MT Foods Private Limited. So in real time, each module they are having separate core user. For finance, we have separate core user who is having knowledge on finance. Material management, we have separate core user and who is having knowledge on material management. So we'll go to the MT Foods Private Limited, then we'll ask the question as provided by our implementation partner. So whenever we are going to implement SAP, our implementation partner will provide you a questionnaire. So we have separate questionnaire for separate modules. For SD module, I'll show you one real-time questionnaire, how questionnaire will be. So I have prepared separate questionnaire for each concept. For enterprise structure, we have separate questionnaire. So what question you have to ask on enterprise structure? So first we have to understand what is our responsibility in enterprise structure. So our responsibility is what? Sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, and shipping point. So here we have to ask about sales organization. So how many sales organization they have and what are those? Then next is shipping point, sorry, distribution channel. To what market you sell, means what market means which types of which class of customers do you have, means whether retailer, distributor, e-commerce, direct, whatever it may be. We'll ask and make a note. So what are the product lines do you have? What are the product lines do you have, means what is product line? Product line is nothing but division. So how many division do you have and what are those? Then what sales offices do you have? How many sales offices do you have and where? At which location you have sales office? Then sales group. What sales group do you have? Then we'll ask about the shipping point. How many shipping point do you have for each plant? So here in enterprise structure, we have to ask 6 questions. Then now we are in business blueprint phase. So business blueprint phase divided into 2 parts. So here we have to go for AGIS and 2B. We have to prepare 2 documents. AGIS means present business scenario of the client, and 2B means how to map present business process into the SAP. So first we have to prepare AGIS document. So how to prepare AGIS document in real time? So first question is what are the sales organization do you have? So for MT Foods Private Limited, I asked to my user and I came to know that they are having 2 sales organization. What are those? First is domestic sales organization, and second one is export sales organization. They are using 2 sales organization. So here once again we have to understand what is a domestic sales organization. Whenever we are selling goods to the domestic customer, we are using domestic sales organization. So previous class we have already discussed what is the use of sales organization, because each sales process will be rotated through a particular sales organization. And we are having export sales organization. Whenever we are selling goods to foreign customer, then we use export sales organization. What is the purpose to go for multiple sales organization? First one is reporting purpose. Here we can generate the reports. What is the sales of Indian customer means domestic revenue, and what is foreign revenue. Second is tax process is different for domestic customer and domestic customer for and export customer. So for domestic customer, generally we are charging tax to the customer. For maximum cases for export customer, we are not uh, charging any tax. So that varies from scenario to scenarios. Okay. Then next is discount. Suppose my business requirement is what I want to give discount for Indian customer only. Then we have to go for the domestic sales organization. Then if sales organization is there, then again we have to ask the name of the sales organization. Means here they are having domestic sales organization and export sales organization. Then same time we have to ask about the currency, which currency they are using. If it is India, then we will use INR. If it is USA, then we will use USD. Whatever it may be, it depends upon their countries. Then we have to ask about the address. What will be the address for this sales organization? Generally, domestic address for domestic sales organization and export sales organization will be same because physical location is same. And we'll ask the telephone number and email ID, means communication details. Next question is what? To what market you sell? Means I am talking about the distribution channel. How many distribution channels do you have? For MT Foods Private Limited, they are having 7 distribution channel. And what are those? First is dealer, retailer, direct, e-commerce, STO, scrap sales, and service sales. Then division. So guys, for MT Foods Private Limited, they are having 4 divisions. What are those? Food and drinks, personal care, home care, and water purifier. Now sales line, then next I will ask about the sales office. So how many sales offices are there? For MT Foods Private Limited, guys, they are having more than 30 sales offices in India. But for our practice purpose, I have to define only one sales office, that is Bangalore sales office. And I'll ask the address of the Bangalore sales office. And again, I'll ask the communication details because these things we have to map in SAP. Then how many sales group they are having? So guys, last session we have already discussed. Suppose they are having 4 division, then we have to define 4 sales group because one sales group is responsible for the sales of one particular division only. So we are having 4 division, then we have to define 4 sales group. If we have 10 division, then we have to define 10 sales group. Okay. Then last but not least, I'll ask each plant how many shipping point do you have and what are those. So guys, for practice purpose, we have 2 plants. MM is responsible to define plants. So each plant we are having 1 shipping point. So 2 plant means we have to define 2 shipping point. So here I have Bangalore plant and Mumbai plant. That's why I have taken 2 address. One is for Bangalore and another one is for Mumbai plant. So this is a real-time RGS document. Same way you have to prepare the RGS document. And finally, I have to prepare 2B document. So what is 2B document, guys? So means BBP document. This is the real-time BBP document. Based on real-time, I have prepared for the training purpose. So this is the real-time BBP document. First, we have to give the company overview about the MT Foods Private Limited. This company is related to deals with which types of business and which sectors and how many divisions they are having and all. We'll give some company's profile and business overview. Then we have to give purpose of this blueprint. Why we are creating this business blueprint. I'll share this document with you, then you can able to understand. So this is business process. Now I'll scroll down to enterprise structure. So first, what is the requirement of enterprise structure? What is enterprise structure? Then how many units we have? What is company code? Then how many company code they are having? Then next is sales organization. So what is sales organization? What is the purpose of sales organization? How many sales organization do you have? Then distribution channel. So in this way, you have in real time also same thing you have to prepare. So nothing difference. So next, first step we have to define means we have to create company code. So guys, person responsible. So FI consultant is responsible to define company code. This is the path. So guys, please refer this path for your reference. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, then definition, financial accounting, then edit, copy, delete, check company code, edit company code data, then go to position. So standard company code is 1000. So I will copy from 1000. Two way we can create company code. Either you can go through the new entries or you can select 1000. So I'll select from 1000, then click on copy as, insert name and address. So same time guys, we are having T code. So now we'll enter into the SAP system, then we'll try to create company code. So guys, in our project, we have only one company code. Company name is what? MT Foods Private Limited, and company code, I'll give company code as MT100. Sorry, MT10, because length of the company code is 2 digit. So now we'll create company code. So path, quickly I'll go through the path. SPRO, SAP reference ING, then go to enterprise structure, definition, then go to financial accounting new. So finance consultant is responsible to define company code. That's why you have to go to financial accounting. Then third step, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Then double click on edit company code data. Double click on edit company code data. So here you have to create the company code. So now what I'll do, I'll check my T code, whether this T code is working or not. So this is the T code. Either you can go through the path or you can use T code. Now I'll go through the T code. T code to create company code is what? OX02. OX02. So this is the path. So now go to position. I'll select 1000. Select, then click on copy as. Click on copy as. I'll give my company code. I have already defined my company code MT10. So I'll give MT10 company name MT Foods Private Limited. Then company is located in Mumbai. So give your city where company is located. Then country. So here we are having different countries. So if your business is in India, then you have to give the country code as IN. Then currency for India is INR. Language would be English. So here what we have to give: company code, company name, city, countries, currency, then language. Then press enter. Again company, keep the company name. My company name is MT Foods Private Limited. Give the short name MT Foods. So your name is long. If you want to add more lines over here, then you can add more lines over here. So if your name of name of the company is so long, then here you can click on more fields, so you can get more line over here. Okay, then I'll give the address of the company. So D001, address 0502D4, MT Tech Park, Andheri. Then postal code, you will get the postal code in your ArcGIS document. I asked my core user and I got all information. Here you have to maintain the data. So company is located in Mumbai, so I'll give the city name over here. Then country would be IN, India. Then here you will get the region for India. Each state you will find one region. So Mumbai region is Maharashtra, it's 13. Andhra Pradesh, Meghalaya, Odisha, whatever it may be. So Maharashtra, Mumbai is Maharashtra, so region code is 13. Then here you have to give the time zone. Time zone for India is India. So if you want to add more address over here, then here you can add this. This is, click on add more fields, click on more fields. So here you can add more line. Then if you give postal code over here, then no need to maintain anything over here, keep it blank. Then give the language. Your language would be English, EN, English. Then telephone number, I'll give the any telephone number, 022, whatever it may be, you give any telephone number. This is 10 number. Then here you can give the extension number, 4-digit extension number. This is your telephone number and this is your extension number. If you want to add more numbers over here, then you click on this arrow mark, then click on new line. Here you can add more telephone number, 40389. So in this way, if you want to more telephone number again, then click on new line. You can add more telephone number over here. Okay. So if you are having, guys, please remember, if you are having multiple entries for any field, then this arrow mark will be in green. Green means inside you are having multiple entries. If I'll delete, if I'll keep only one entry, then this arrow mark will not be in green. Now we are having only one entries, so this arrow mark is not in green. Green means you have multiple entries. Then I'll keep mobile number here. Same ways you can assign multiple mobile numbers. Fax, right now fax is not in used. I will give my email address, manojtony sapmt@sapmt.com. So here you have to give your business mail ID. Then click on copy. Click on copy. Then what we have to do? We have to save it. Save it. So generally, guys, if you are doing first time, if you are doing configuration in first time in your server, then you may not get this request number. So generate first, you have to generate one request number. So this is create request number. Give the description, enterprise structure underscore SD. Give description, then click on save. When you save, system will generate the request number. Save it. Saved. Company code already generated. Then guys, here what I'll suggest you. So guys, as you are freshers and you are new to SAP, so we generally you may not have idea on technical information about organizational unit. Technical information means table and field name. But I'm sure you can remember the table name. From day one, we'll do some additional activities will help you to become a recognized consultant, and you will get into job within 2 to 3 interviews only, maximum 2 to 3 interviews. But guys, here just try to remember the tables which we have for enterprise structure, because it will help in when we'll go for the functional specification document. So what are the requirement of, I'll give you one example. I'll show you what is the requirement of table in enterprise structure. So sometimes what we are doing, we are generating code is MT10. I want to know the company name. So I'll go to table. You don't use any table. I am showing you for your reference. You may not you will not able to understand what is the requirement of table and all, but just I am giving one example. So now I am passing company code, then I'll get the company name. So company name is MT Foods Private Limited. So if you know the table, then you can able to generate the reports and all. So from day one, guys, please remember the table name. So table for company code is T000 T001. Okay. Then next is sales organization. So person responsible, SD consultant is responsible to define sales organization. So this is the path. For your reference, you use this path. So I know the path, so I'll directly go to system and I'll define. So as per my BBP document, we have two sales organization. One is domestic sales organization and another one is export sales organization. So for domestic sales organization, I'll give the code of MT01. For export sales organization, I'll give the code of MT02. So now I'll show you the path. Path is what? Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure definition. So now SD consultant is responsible to define sales organization. So go to sales and distribution, then define, copy, delete, check sales organization. Then again define sales organization. So this is the path. So if you'll go through the T codes, then use OVX5 is the T code to define sales organization. So now I'll check the T code as well. OVX5. Go to OVX5 and you can create sales organization. So go to position. Again, I'll select 1000 and I'll copy from 1000. Then click on copy as, just like company code. Here what you have to do, here you have to give the code MT01, then give the description domestic sales organization. So guys, in this step you have to do three changes over here. First one is what? Give the code, then description, then change your currency. My currency is INR. No need to change anything over here. Keep as it is. Enter. System will give you the warning message because I have changed my statistics currencies. This is warning message. No need to do anything. Just click on continue. So when you click on continue, then here system will ask to give the name, address, and communication details for the sales organization. So this field is grayed out, so we cannot change anything. So no need to worry about this. Keep as it is. And here you have to give the description of the sales organization. So it is domestic sales organization. So short name again I will give domestic. Address I will give Mumbai. So you will get this address from your core user. He will give here. So I'll maintain any address over here. So here what we have to do, we have to give the address empty tech park. Here you have to give the address, then postal code, city, countries, and time zone. And if you give postal code over here, then no need to maintain anything over here. Always keep blank. Then change language from German to English. Telephone number, you can give the mobile number. Sorry, fax number is not in use, so no need to give any fax number over here. Just here you have to give language, telephone number, mobile number, and email ID. Email ID monojtony@sapmt.com. Then click on continue. Click on continue. Then click on yes. Click on yes. Then again click on continue. Save it. So now we have created domestic sales organization. So same way I have to create export sales organization. So go to position, select 1000, then click on copy as, then I will give MT02 as export sales organization and change your currency. Then press enter. Click on continue. Then give the title. Then give the description. Export sales organization. Then short name, give export. You can give any name, no need to worry about this. Then give the same address. Okay. Empty tech park. Empty tech park. Andheri. Give postal code. City code Mumbai. Language, country India. Then region code. So region code is 13. 13 is for Maharashtra. So I know, I remember, that's why I'm putting 13. But you just explore it and select. Okay. Then time zone for India is always India. So post box, remove, keep it blank. Then change language, English. Give your telephone number, mobile number. Fax is not in used, so remove. Give your email address, monojtony@sapmt.com. Then click on continue, same way. Click on continue, save. then continue. Save. So now we have created sales organize. Then next, what we have next is distribution channel. So in real time, who is responsible to define distribution channel? SD consultant is responsible to define distribution channel. So this is the path. So guys, in real time, we have for our MT Foods Private Limited, we have 7 distribution channel. First one is dealer, retailer, direct, STO, scrap sales, direct, and all. Okay. So now I have to define distribution channel. So you use this path, and this is the T code, and this is for table name. So guys, whether you can able to understand or not, I don't know about the table name, technical information. Just guys, I'll request you to remember the table name. So it will help you a lot in future. So path, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure, definition. So SD consultant is responsible to define distribution channel. So again, I will go to sales and distribution, then define copy, delete, check division, then define distribution channel. This is the path. So if you try to use T code, then you can use T code also. So I'll use T code. T code is OVXI. So go to OVXI. Also directly you will get this distribution channel creation field. New entries. So F1, I will give the F1. Then dealer. One F. So whenever we are transferring the stock from one plant to another plant, then we will use separate distribution channel, that is STO. So later on you can understand what is STO, distribution channel. Then next is scrap sale. You know scrap sales, waste metal, again waste item we are selling to the vendors, different vendors. So that is scrap sale. So for scrap sales, we have different distribution channel. 7F, direct sales. Direct sales. Save it. Save. So in this way, you have to define distribution channel. So what is the length of the distribution channel? So guys, this is the length. System will not allow to enter more than 2. So this is the length. Okay, save it. Next is what? Next is division. What is division? Division is nothing but the product line. So who is responsible to define division? SD consultant is responsible to define division. So path is there, T code is there, and table name is there. So you have to remember all. So for our project, guys, we have 4 division. What are those? First one is food and drinks, personal care, home care, and water purifier. So guys, SD consultant is responsible to define division, and here we have 4 division. So I'll go through the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure, definition, then here we have to go to logistic general. Under logistic general, we have division. So define copy, delete, check division, then define division. So what is the length of the division? Length of the division is again 2 digit. So new entries. M1 is not there. 1F is there. The food and drinks. Food and drinks. 2F, personal care. 3F, home care. 4F, water purifier. Water purifier, save it. Okay, so this is the T code OBXB, table name is TSPS. So please remember the table name. Then next is sales office. So who is responsible to define sales office? SD consultant is responsible to define sales office. So for our for MT Foods Private Limited, we have 30 plus sales offices are there. But for our practice purpose, we have to define only one sales office, that is Bangalore sales office, and code for Bangalore sales office will be MT01. So quickly I'll go to SPRO, SAP reference ING, then go to enterprise structure, definition, then go to sales and distribution, then maintain sales office. So maintain sales office, create new entries. So that is MT01, that is Bangalore sales office. Bangalore sales office. So give title, the name of sales office will be Bangalore sales office. Short name, keep Bangalore sales office. Bangalore sales. Bangalore, I will give the Bangalore. Okay. So address of the Bangalore sales office. MT Tech Park. Give the postal name, city where is located, Bangalore. Then country, IN. The region code for Bangalore means Karnataka is 10. If you'll explore, then you will get the state code. 10 is for Karnataka. Then language would be English. If you want to give the telephone number, you can give telephone number, mobile number, mail ID. info@sapt.com. So whatever it may be, as per your BBP document, you have to give all details over here. Save it. Then save it. So for practice purpose, I have defined only one sales office, but in real time, you have to define numbers of sales office as per their business process. Okay. So sales office already defined. Then next we have to define sales group. So who is responsible to define sales group? SD consultant is responsible to define sales group. So for sales group, again we have path, T code, and table name. So guys, for MT Foods Private Limited, we are having 4 divisions. So 4 division means we have to define 4 sales group. So food and drinks, personal care, home care, and water purifier. And length of the length of sales group is 3-digit code. So I'll give MT1, MT2, MT3, and MT4. Once again, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, scroll down, go to enterprise structure, definition, then go to sales and distribution, maintain sales group, then new entries. What will be our code? MT1. What is the length of this? Is the length, guys. MT1, sorry, code MT1. If we'll give more than 3, then system will not allow. That is food and drinks sales group, MT2 personal care, MT3 home care, MT4 water purifier. Our number of division equal to number of sales group. So we are having 4 divisions, so we have to define 4 sales group. Save it. Then next is what? Define plant. So consultant is responsible to define plant, and highest organizational unit for plant is for is plant. So what is the length of plant? Length for plant is 4-digit code. So guys, this is the path. T code is there and table name for plant is there. And for MT Foods Private Limited, we are having two division, two plants. What are those? First one is Bhubaneswar manufacturing plant, and second one is Gurgaon manufacturing plant. So who is responsible to define plant? Consultant is responsible to define plant. So we'll go through the path, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure, go to definition. So who is responsible to define plant? Consultant is responsible to define plant. So plant will comes under logistic general. So define, copy, delete, check plant, then double click on define plant. So T code to define plant is OX10. So here I'll copy from standard 1000 company code, sorry, plant code. Select, then click on copy as MT01, that is Bhubaneswar manufacturing plant. Give the plant code and plant name. Okay, enter, copy, again give the name of the plant, Bhubaneswar manufacturing plant, short name BBSR plant. So give the address R005 Rasul code, industrial state 751001, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So country would be INR, sorry, IN, then region code for Odisha is 18 Odisha. Then time zone would be India. Then language English. Give telephone number, any telephone number. Okay, they will provide, business your core user will provide all information. So here we have to keep all communication details. So info@sapamt.com. So in this way you have to fill all details, then click on copy as, save it. Save it. So another plant is where? First is Bhubaneswar plant, already defined, then second is Gurgaon plant. So go to position again, select 1000, click on copy as, then here code will be MT02, give the name, that is Gurgaon manufacturing plant. Enter. Then same thing we have to do, we have to keep the title, then name of the Gurgaon plant, Gurgaon manufacturing plant, Gurgaon plant, give the address of Gurgaon plant, Bhatika Business Park, Sohna Road, Gurgaon. Give the postal code of Gurgaon, give any code. Gurgaon, Haryana, country IN, then region code for Gurgaon is 07, Haryana is 07. Then time zone INR, EN, give telephone number, mobile number, email address, So you will get all details from your core user. So I have maintained in my Aziz document. So you will get this from Aziz and to be BVP document. Then we have defined the plant. Then next we have to define storage location. So who is responsible to define storage location? Material management consultant is responsible to define storage location. So this is the path. T code to define storage location is OX09. Table for storage location is T001N. So guys, for Empty Foods Private Limited, we have 4 storage locations for each plant. What are those? Raw material, semi-finished, finished, and return goods. So code will be MT01 is for raw material, MT02 semi-finished, MT03 finished, MT04 for return goods. So now I'll use the path to create storage location. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, then go to material management, then maintain storage location. So give your plant code. First I have to create storage location for Bhubaneswar plant, then I will go for the Gurgaon plant. So this is my plant, MT04 is Bhubaneswar plant, then click new entries, give the code MT01 raw material MT02 semi-finished. What is raw material, guys? It is the key ingredient to manufacture the finished goods. Then semi-finished means partially finished. MT03, that is finished, which is ready for the sales. Then return. So if customer return the goods, then we'll store these goods in return storage location. Then save it. So I have created all storage location for Bhubaneswar plant. Now I have to create for Gurgaon plant. So keep Gurgaon plant code MT02. Then new entries, you can give the same code, no issues. Raw material, finished, return, MT04. Save it. Save it. So we have done storage location. Then this is last but not least. Here we have to define the shipping point. So who is responsible to define shipping point? SD consultant is responsible to define shipping point. This is the path. T code to define shipping point is OBXD. Table for shipping point is TVSTZ. And what is the length for shipping point? Length for shipping point is 4-digit code. So not each plant we have one shipping point. So guys, we are having 2 manufacturing plant. One is Bhubaneswar manufacturing plant. So for Bhubaneswar manufacturing plant, we have to create 1 shipping point. For Gurgaon manufacturing plant, we have to create 1 shipping point. So moreover, we have to create 2 shipping point. So path, again go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure, definition, then logistic execution, go to logistic execution, and define, copy, delete, check shipping point. This is the path. Then click on define shipping point. So go to position. Once again, I'll select 1000 and I'll copy from the 1000. So MT01, that is Bhubaneswar shipping point. Again, give the name Bhubaneswar shipping point. Bhubaneswar shipping point. Address, give exact address of Bhubaneswar. Now I am giving Bhubaneswar. Code Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So contribute by IN. Then region code for Odisha is 18. Select 18. 18. So telephone number, give any telephone number. But real time, we have to give the exact telephone number given by your core user. Okay. info@the rate of sapmt.com. Then click on continue, copy. Either you can copy from 1000 or you can copy from the MT01. You can copy from anyone. I'll copy from MT02. Here I'll change the address, sorry, name, that is Gurgaon shipping point. Enter. Company, now change the name of the shipping point here, Gurgaon shipping point. Gurgaon. Give the exact address of Gurgaon. Now I am giving only Gurgaon, Haryana. So region code for Haryana is 07. Select, then click on save. So now we have defined all enterprise structure. Then some important notes. So ALE data. So where we maintain the ALE data. So guys, now you will not able to understand what is ALE data, but you have to remember what is ALE data. So ALE data is application linking and enabling. So where we maintain ALE data. So guys, we maintain ALE data in sales organization. So now I'll go to the sales organization. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, definition, sales and distribution, then define, check, copy, sales organization. So my sales organization is MT01. So double click on this. So guys, this is ALE data. This is ALE data. This is ALE data. So what is the full form of ALE? So guys, full form of ALE is application linking and enabling. So where we maintain in sales organization. So where we maintain in sales organization. Okay. Then guys, what is the purpose of ALE data? So purpose of ALE data is automatic PO creation in individual purchaser. So again, you don't know what is automatic PO. You are new, so you don't know about the automatic PO, and you don't know what is IPO process. So guys, please remember. I know you can remember. Where we maintain, what is the full form of ALE data? Application linking, enabling. Where we maintain in sales organization. So what is the purpose of this? You just remember automatic PO creation. It will help to create automatic PO in IPO, and it will help to create automatic PO in IC sales. IC sales is nothing but the third party process. So just here remember what is the full form of ALE data, what is where we maintain, what is the purpose of this, and what are the entries we maintain in ALE data. So guys, we maintain purchase organization, purchasing group, vendor code, order type, plant, storage location, and movement type. So we are giving 7 entries. So if it is possible for you, then please remember what are the things we maintain in ALE data, because here we have to do some additional activities. Then next is factory calendar. So guys, where we maintain factory calendar, we maintain factory calendar in 3 places, where sales organization, plant, and shipping point. So what is the purpose of factory calendar, guys? In factory calendar, we are having holiday calendar. So when our plant and office will be closed, at that point of time, system will not perform any delivery scheduling. So delivery scheduling is a separate concept, so we'll discuss, and in future I'll let you know what exactly the use of factory calendar, why we maintain factory calendar, what is holiday calendar. So just now you just remember where we maintain, in which sales organization unit we have the option to maintain the factory calendar. First is sales organization. So guys, in sales organization where we maintain factory calendar, this is your factory calendar. First is sales organization, Then second, we maintain in plant. So what is the plant to go, what is the T code to go for plant is OX10. So you can go to the path also and with the T code also. So MT01. So this is plant. So here we maintain the factory calendar. So this is also factory calendar. Here we maintain factory calendar. So why I am asking you to remember, because this is one important frequently asked question in interview. Okay. Then next, where we maintain in shipping point. So quickly I'll go to the shipping point, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, sales organization, definition, logistic execution, then shipping point. We have created our shipping point as MT01. MT01. So guys, here we maintain the shipping point. Here we maintain the factory calendar. So three places we maintain factory calendar. Just remember. Upcoming session is about enterprise structure assignment. We have created our organizational units, and in assignment step we have to make the relationship, and assignment step is very important step. Here I will give some important tips how to create enterprise structure in within 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, we have already discussed, we took around 30 minutes, but I'll let you know how to create overall enterprise structure within 10 to 15 minutes. I'll give you the shortcut.